Ladies, 2025 is the year of flawless lace front wigs, from sleek short cuts to big bold coils. These styles are perfect for every occasion and every mood. Today, I will be showing you the top 10 lace front wig styles for black women, short, long, coily, and everything in between. Stay tuned till the end because style number 1 will blow your mind. Let's dive in. That's top 10. Number 10, we have the sleek middle part straight wig. It's clean, smooth, and timeless. A sleek middle part lace front is a must for 2025. It frames the face beautifully and works for both casual and formal looks. Pair it with bold makeup for a glam finish or keep it natural for everyday wear. At number 9 is the body wave lace front. Yes, soft body waves give a romantic, flowing look. This style has been trending in the USA and Germany because it blends elegance with volume. It is perfect. This particular style is perfect for dinners, parties, or even weddings. At number 8 is the short bob lace front. The bob cut is making a huge comeback in 2025. It's chic, low maintenance, and super versatile. Try a blunt bob for a boss lady vibe or a layered bob for a soft look. At number 7 is the coily afro lace front wig. Yeah. Celebrate natural beauty with a big, bold coily afro lace front wig. This style is full of personality and looks amazing with statement earrings and vibrant outfits to pair with this lovely wig. Check it out. At number 6 is the Ombre highlight lace front wig. It had a splash of color with an ombre lace front wig. Blonde, burgundy, or honey highlights are trendy this year, giving hair dimension and glow without dyeing your natural hair. At number 5 is the side part with loose coils. A deep side part with loose coils is perfect for adding volume and framing your face. This style flatters almost every face shape and is great for a sophisticated yet playful vibe. This is side part with loose coils, perfect for adding volume and framing your face shape. At number 4 is the pixie cut lace front wig. For a bold and edgy look, the lace front pixie cut is a statement maker. With my lips, statement maker. It is lightweight, easy to style, and it's very perfect for warmer seasons. Yeah, and that's number 4, pixie cut lace front wig. At number 3 is the long straight HD lace front wig. If you love length, the long straight HD lace front is for you. It gives a flawless, natural hairline and looks sleek and luxurious, especially for formal events. As you can see, the style is very sleeky, it looks straight, and for those of you who love length, this hair is for you. As number 2 is the layered water wave lace front. Water waves give you that beachy, effortless beauty. This style works perfectly in both short and long lengths, making it perfect for vacations or casual days out. Yes. As number one is the glueless lace front wig. For those who want style without the hassle, the glueless lace front wig is a game changer. It is easy to put on and take off anytime, any day, anywhere. It protects your edges and still looks good and flawless. Yes. And here you have it, the top 10 flawless lace front wig styles for black women in 2025. Which one was your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more hair inspiration every week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!